Born in 1820 in England, Florence Nightingale grew up in a wealthy family, but instead of a life of luxury, she chose to dedicate herself to helping others. At 17, she realized that becoming a nurse was her true calling. Despite her family's objections, Florence pursued nursing education. In an era filled with hardships and prejudice against women, she worked tirelessly to build her skills and overcome societal barriers. During the Crimean War, Florence revolutionized hospital hygiene. She brought hope to wounded soldiers, earning the nickname the Lady with the Lamp. Thanks to her efforts, the death rate dropped from 40% to 2%. After the war, Florence laid the foundation for modern nursing. She established the first professional nursing school and set hygiene standards for hospitals. Her work became a model for public health reforms worldwide. Florence Nightingale passed away in 1910, but her legacy lives on. She transformed healthcare, proving how one determined woman can change the world forever. Florence Nightingale, a woman who healed the world with knowledge, courage, and compassion. Her light still shines brightly.